So basically, because there's a lot of big words there, so and this is something that I hadn't really heard of it before the show, but our fillings are making us sick.
Some of our fillings are making us sick. Some of them are.
And
specifically, specifically, I believe, and based on the science now, amalgam fillings, which contain about 40 to 50% of elemental mercury, okay? The rest of that is silver, tin, and copper. So any silver filling, any amalgam filling that you have in your mouth contains 50% of mercury by weight. Now, I think most of us know and can remember from our science classes that mercury is a liquid at room temperature, right? So we used to have those thermometers with the liquid mercury in them, and my gosh, I've read several accounts. If you do a quick Google search, you'll find several articles that talk about thermometers breaking in schools, and they evacuate the entire building. Well, why does it make sense to put that liquid mercury in your mouth where you swallow, I don't know how many times a day, I can't remember, a lot, right? And what's most alarming, I think, is that liquid mercury, when heated up to a certain temperature, gives off a toxic vapor. And it's hard to kind of wrap our heads around that, because vapor, as we know, is usually, odorless, colorless. We can't see it, smell it, or anything, so we forget that it exists. But these silver fillings have, if you were to examine them under like an electron microscope, you would see little beads of liquid mercury on top of those silver fillings. We call those little like sweat beads, okay? And anytime your mouth heats up, so if you're sipping your morning coffee, okay, or brushing your teeth, right, or having your hygienist scrape your teeth, or you're clenching or you're grinding your teeth, these are all different ways that we can increase the temperature in our mouths, and we do them all day long, right, multiple times a day. Those silver fillings are giving off a toxic vapor, and this vapor is a known neurotoxin. This has been established.